Now the topic is data acquisition system. First we have to know what is called a data acquisition system. So we know that data are, it may be in the voltage zeros and ones. The data acquisition system, actually we are acquiring the data from a sensor or a transducer. Okay, data acquisition system basically that it is consisting of the following block diagram. A typical data acquisition system consisting of individual sensors or a transducer with the necessary signal conditioning, data conversion, data processing, multiplexing, data handling and transmission, storage and display system. The schematic block diagram of a general acquisition system DAS is shown in figure. These are all transducer 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Why we have to use a number of, in industry we have to use a number of transducer or sensor. One that it has to sense the temperature, another one that it has to sense the level, humidity and so on. Okay, next one is a signal conditioning. All are clubbed to the or given to the multiplexer circuit and then given to an A to D converter. Finally that it has to be used to print or digital display, magnetic tape, transmission, computing, processing. There are two major classes of data acquisition system. One is a analog data acquisition system, another one is a digital data acquisition system. First we can see the analog data acquisition system. Analog data acquisition system consisting of following components. First one is a transducer. What is a transducer? Transducer that it converts a physical parameter or a physical quantity to a electrical signal. Next one is a signal condition. It amplifies, modifies or selecting a particular portion of this signal. And the next one is a visual display unit. This is for continuous monitoring the input signal. This device includes the oscilloscope, storage oscilloscope, panel meters, etc. The typical example for visual display is, we can see it in a AC. Okay, visual display unit. Suppose in remote we are going to set point as a 27, 16 degree C or 18 degree or 20 degree or 21 means that will be displayed by a 7 segment display. Okay, similarly in a very big industry that it may be a LCD panel, okay, or a TV. Okay, this is the continuous monitoring the input signal. This device include oscilloscope, storage oscilloscope or panel meters, or it may be a panels or LED panels. The graphic recording instrument. These recorders are used to make a permanent recording of data. Some of the devices are stylus. Stylus means pen. This one is a stylus or a pen. Or a ink recorders, galvanometer recorders, and ultraviolet recorders. These are all a different type of recorders. Ultraviolet recorders that it uses ultraviolet rays or a beam. Galvanometer is D'Arsonval meter or recorder that uses a galvanometer technique, D'Arsonval meter. Okay, stylus and ink recorders is that it uses a pen and ink tank. The magnetic tape instrumentation. These devices preserving data at original electrical form and it can be reproduced later for further analysis. Okay, the data is be used by using a magnetic technique or magnetic tape instrumentation. That the stored data can be finally used for further analysis. Next one is a digital data acquisition system. Digital data acquisition system is shown in the figure. Transducer, signal conditioning, scanner or multiplication, signal converter, analog to digital converter, digital recorder. For all these four devices you are having auxiliary equipment and system programs. Transducer, as per the previous same to the previous one, analog system, it converts the physical parameter to electrical signal acceptable by the acquisition system. Some of the transducer are temperature, pressure, accelerometer or acceleration, etc. It delivers the electrical quantity such as voltage, resistance, etc. Signal conditioning. The output from this transducer is very low. We have to, that also consisting of noise and all. So we have to recondition that. So generally it provides excitation, power, balancing circuit and a calibration element. Example or power supply unit. Scanner or multiplexer. It accepts the multiple analog input and it sequentially converts them into one measuring instrument. signal converter. It converts the analog signal to a form of acceptable by the analog to digital converter. It amplifies low level voltage to higher voltage. This is a signal converter. Okay, and then the analog to digital converter, A to D converter. It converts the analog signal to corresponding digital form. Then the output is useful for further digital process and digital recorders. In general, suppose we have to give any input to a computer or a microcontroller or a microprocessor, it is necessary to convert the analog input or analog data to a digital data. For example, 10 volt or 5 volt or 4 volt, 3 volt, 1 volt. We have to convert the corresponding magnitude into a corresponding digital value. For example, 0 volt means 0 0 0 0. 1 volt means 0 0 0 1. And then 10 volt means all must be a 4 ones, like that. For example, suppose we are using a 3-bit means all ones means 7 volt. Okay. All 3-bit mean 3 bits or 0 means 0 volt. 1 volt means 0 0 1. 2 means 0 1 0, like that. Okay. 1 0 0 means 4 volt, like that. The auxiliary equipment, these auxiliary equipments are used to programming the function and digital data processing. Generally, these functions are performed by individual instruments or by a digital computer. Okay, this is to support your digital system. Auxiliary equipment. Digital recorder. Digital recorders may be a punched cards, magnetic tape, typewritten pages, or a combination of all. Digital data acquisition are widely used in variety of industrial and scientific areas such as biomedical, aerospace, and telemetry industries. That's all.